Last Saturday night at Crawford County Speedway, Mother Nature was unkind and dropped the black flag on the races. So, what do you say we try again this Saturday night? Season opener part 2 at Crawford County Speedway. Green flag Saturday night at 7 o'clock. You can get all the details on our Facebook page. It's our Southern Outlaw late models, the All-Star Modified Series, Grand National, Pure Stock, Mini Stock, Front Wheel Drive. Just 6 miles north of Van Buren on Highway 59. You know the place. We'll see you Saturday night at Crawford County Speedway. Dig it, it's dirt.